All right, guys. Quick garden update. I don't know what day it is today. Thursday. I don't know when Thursday, but okay. Strawberries and this thing have still not done anything. We planted these like 2 years ago. We planted some. I didn't plant anything in here yet. I don't remember if I did or not. Here is the tomato plant that is just in rabbit poop instead of dirt. Got some random tomato plants growing up in this one. And probably won't produce anything since it's so late in the season. More tomato plants. We got our pepper plants in here. More random tomato plants that just grew. Another flock of tomato plants. It's got a tomato on there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's quite a few coming up. Got a lot of tomato plants in this one. I got to finish weeding this one. Another random tomato plant. I'm just letting all the randoms go. See what they do, you know. Another couple. There's all our potato plants. Corn is looking halfway decent. Compost is composting, of course. Come back over this way. I planted some cucumbers in this one about, I don't know, 3-4 days ago. There's our one little corn stalk there. There's cucumber plants in here, just one right there. And here is our fork factory. Hopefully we get a lot of forks out of here. No, we planted pumpkins in here this year, and that's the sole survivor. Some more tomato plants. More tomato plants. We planted another batch of cucumbers and carrots in here the other day. What is this? Garlic. All this garlic is done. Gonna pull that all out the next day or two. And we already pulled all the garlic out of that one. So we got to figure out what we can plant in there for the rest of the season. All right, guys. If life's interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win. And we'll see you on the next garden video. Later.